Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sabrina. This is the part 2 that I was talking about that I had to come back and show you guys. It came. This is my keyboard. This is actually my typewriter retro vintage keyboard. It's a typewriter, you can see it. And it's Bluetooth. Okay, it's Bluetooth and wire. Isn't that cool? Let's see how it looks like. As you can see, the picture is cool, right? Now let's go check it out. Oh, so it comes with this. This was in here. I already had looked at it before. So this is the cord that it comes with. Beautiful cord. I love this cord. It's material, fiber. It's not a plastic. And you also have this metal thing here, which is to help you take out see, these are keyboards that are interchangeable keys. So if you want, like the keys that you have here, the round keys that I have, you can buy or order the square ones. And these are replacements for the bottom of the thing. It's not hard for you to replace these things, especially with this type of keyboard. Okay? So, let's go to this, since I only have like 10 minutes. Let's go. Nice. I love it. I'm loving it. I did open it up earlier because I wanted to see it. Had to see it. That's that. That's that. See it? See it, guys? See it? Oh, you see it? Oh, pretty. I grew up in the age of typewriters. Okay? Those who know me and went to school to 126, IS 126, if you went there, remember the typewriting class? We had to sit there and type, and we were being timed. Yes, we was in that era. These kids don't know it. They don't have, I don't know that, as far as I know, the children right now don't get typing classes, which I think if you're giving them computers, I think they should get typing classes. Because there are jobs still out there that use typing, and word per minute actually still exists, you know, requesting and all that. Me, I slowed down so much. I used to type fast. Now it's not happening. I don't even type fast on my phone. My fingers are too fat and they touch everything. This is why I got this. I got this because I do a lot of emailing. And it's hard for me to do. I usually use my phone to do my emails. And because I have Word, I still use Word. Some people use Drive or what is that? What's the other program? Is it Drive or Link or Outlook or something like that? It's the same. They all similar to the same. You know, they all the same things. It's just basically a page, clean page you type up, whatever. And I'm the old way, so I keep my Word on my phone because it's free. Everywhere else, my laptop, my other phone, my new phone, I have to pay for. I'm not doing that. So I'm keeping my phone that I'm using right now as a camera. Yes, this one is my favorite phone. And it has words free still. So I don't pay for it. And it's easy for me to do emails through there. Because I know that program. You understand? And the other ones, yeah, I know them. But I'm not comfortable enough with like this one. And I have Excel and all this include out. You know, everything included. Still using it. Slideshows, yeah, I'm still the old-fashioned way. So this is gonna come in handy. You see this part right here is where you sit your tablet or your phone. So let me see, where is my tablet? Oh, my tablet is being charged. So let me use my new phone. It's not on right now. So let's say this is the phone, and I just put it right here on top of this here. Voila. And I go, and it is Bluetooth, not this phone, that phone. The one I'm recording on, this phone is the the phone. And then on the other one, I can Google. I can use it on this one on my Google, because I do a lot. I'm sent out a lot of email. So this would be easier for me to type, and instead of sitting here going XXX just to get back or move the little thing on my screen because the letter is wrong. I typed in A and it came out S, and I have to, fix it, correct it, and whatnot. So get tired of that. So this is a handy thing. Now I got this one from Amazon. There's so many of them. This one is like $130. So you pick one nice ones. I saw one recently that had me like, I should have got that one, but I love this type of style. I like the vintage retro typewriter keyboard. This is beautiful, and it has a little lever, which doesn't work. It doesn't go ting. It doesn't go. It doesn't. You don't push it back or anything. It's just for show. And this too, it also spins around, like if you're screening out your paper through here, and cool. They also have the one with the screen over here, which for those who want that. And then I had the one I was just saying about that I was looking at, and it sounds like a piano. So each key that you press down sounds like a music note. I love that. Not only that it lights up, I don't even know if this one lights up. Let's see. Let me see if I put it to my... Should I put it to my laptop? Then let me get my laptop out. Hold on. Alright, guys. So, I got my laptop out. It's on. So, you see, this one has BT, which is Bluetooth, off. And then Mac or iOS. Okay? So, you can switch it up. Then here, it is Windows or Mac. Windows or Mac. I forgot now. This is a BT, which is Bluetooth or USB. So either switch off. Switch off is in the middle. Bluetooth, USB. So I do have the wire. It has a C charger. C. So I'm going to put it this way so you guys can see. I'm going to plug it in the C on this side here. It's funny how we went from the other one being a universal one, and now we're using the C one. Okay. I gotta flip it around. Alright. Let me see if... let me see. I just need you to look at the keyboard. Let's move the keyboard a little bit more. Camera more down. Alright. Let me turn it on to the USB. And that's how it looks like. Oh, it lights up. Let me turn the light off here so you can see it. Look how pretty. So let's see. I think I gotta move this button here. No. It's not working, guys. What do I need to do? Let me see. I didn't even read the instructions. What? FN. It says LED. LED, 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 LED. I should have read this before I even. Usually I look at the command stuff. It has commands, options, another command, FL, keyboard, escape. Ooh, are we on? Oh, that's my tablet going crazy. I will have to read this. I don't know too much which way it's supposed to go with the Bluetooth. I mean with the... Yeah, this is what happens when you don't read the instructions before you start doing things, guys. See, they have LED lights here. Oh, okay. I see this here. It has like little lights, LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, and LED 4. So it's a Bluetooth wire or a plug. So these parts are on this side. Let me move over. There's little lights right here that light up. Alright, guys. I'm not going to be able to show you other than this because I have to read the instructions. So, hope you guys like this. Let me turn it off. There you go. Let's turn it back on. Oh, look how pretty it looks like when you turn it on. Oh, let me turn it off. Alright, guys. So, hope you like this video. Enjoy. And have fun. And stay safe, guys. Bye.